Good morning, students. As earlier, we have learned function and recursion of function. So today we are starting C structures. So what is structure? Structure is a user-defined data types. Okay, in C we are using user-defined data types in functions also, but there is a limitations. Why we are using structure? To construct a record, we are using a structure. So structure is a user defined data types in C, which allows us to combine data of different types together. This different data types is not used in array or in any user defined function. So structure allows different data types within a single braces. That means different data types we are using as a combination. Okay. Structure helps to construct a complex data type which is more meaningful. It is somewhat similar to an array, but an array holds data of similar types only, but structure can store data of any type. So structure is the combination of, in one word, is a combination of different data types. Okay, so in structure data is stored in form of records, Now definition, defining a structure. Struct keyword is used. Struct keyword is used to define a structure. Struct defines a new data type which is a collection of primary and derived data types. So to define a structure we are using a keyword that is struct. Okay. Now this struct defines a new data type which is a collection of primary and derived data types. Primary data types are integer, float, character, double, etc. Okay. And derived is array. Okay. It may be character array, it may be integer array. When we are using the array, all the elements within an array is of similar type. So array is a derived data type from primary data type. Okay. So let's take a look of structure syntax. First we have to write the struct keyword. Okay. Then the structure tag. Structure tag means the name of structure. Name of structure. Okay. So brace open. Okay. Then declare all the member, variable 1, variable 2, variable 3, and so on. Okay. And after closing the brace, structure variables, define structure variables, then put the semicolon. Okay. Struct keyword is used, then provide your structure name, then inside braces mention all member variables which are normal data types like integer, float, array, etc., as we discussed just now. Okay. Uh, Here we have to remember that closing curly brace in the structure type declaration must be followed by a semicolon. If we forget to put the semicolon after defining a structure, then this structure shows an error. Okay, that means C program will not able to execute this structure. So putting after defining a structure, putting semicolon is mandatory. Okay, put the semicolon. Now let's take an example. Example of structure. First, as per the syntax, we have to write struct, then we write the student. Okay, brace open, char name of size 25. That means here the name is the array of character type. It is derived data type. Then int age, char branch of size 10. It is also an array of character type. Then char gender. Okay. F for female and M for male. Okay. And closing brace. After closing brace, we are putting semicolon. Okay, that is mandatory. Without semicolon, C program will not execute this structure. Student. Okay, so above example declare 4 fields. What are the 4 fields? Name, then age, then branch and gender. The name and branch is the array of character type. That means it's contain different types of element which are belongs to character data type. That is char name size and char branch size is the derived data type. That is the character array, and age is the integer, that means primary data type. Int age is the primary data type, and char gender is also a primary data type. Okay, these fields are called structure element or members. As per the syntax, we are seeing in the example, first write struct, then the structure name, that is written as structure tag. Okay, then the members, declared members are char name of size 25, int age, char branch of size 10, char gender. Okay, these are the 4 members, and braces are closed here, and after closing the brace we are putting the mandatory semicolon. Without that, the C program will not able to execute the structure, defined structure. Okay, so this is all about the short and sweet, the declaration, definition and the example of C structure. So in short, C structure is used to store in form of records. Okay, this is the main definition. To define records using different data types, we have to use the structure, which is not possible in declaring array, because array is used similar type of data, and in function also similar type of variables is used. Okay, and function is not able to define a records also. That's why we have to introduce this structure type, and this is the syntax of the structure. Hope you will understood this structure. Okay, and in next class onwards we will continue about the more topics about the structure. Okay, hope you are all of you are understood this topic. Okay, thank you.